Okay, we're back. Gonna smash my sister. But first, something. Okay. Turn on. Okay, let's go. What in the world? Oh, my place. What's that sound? Oh. See? It's a camera. It's like a GoPro. Really? Can't even get past a boot? So downstairs. I'm not gonna take you down there because then. Yeah. Wait. Alright. That. So that was fun, right? I wish I could find out a way how to stick my phone on my other arm. But still empty spaces. By the way, so it's spaces. Ooh, put that right there. You can see a back view. You guys actually like that? If you do, tell me in the comments if you like it in front, like, or in back like this, or like in front, like that. And if you should tell me what my next videos should be like the next two, because I have all sorts of things like remote control cars. Get over here. Lego cars. Adding fuel and stuff. Where did it go? Got a few Nerf guns. So, you guys should pick. I also can do a vlog if you want. Here, hold up. So I guess I can't flip it, but whatever. Just kind of around my room to see what looks like. So, you know. By the way, I have a bunch of toys in my toy box over there. the closet. Play with the little cars and stuff if you want. A bunch of Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em all. But depends on you guys. Ooh, there's an idea of playing hide and seek with my friends. Ooh, we can have Nerf gun wars. Anything. Really, just. So pick what you want in the comments and just send it to me. And don't forget if you like the camera in front or back. Did I turn this off? No. And yeah, see you guys all see all of you guys next time. I hope. Please come back. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button and yeah. I'm trying to think what I was gonna say. Do you guys ever get that moment like when you're trying to say something but you never get it? Like you can't think of what you were gonna say? Oh yeah. Subscribe and hit the like button. Let's go for around, I don't know, 20 likes because I'm new. 20 because I'm new. Oh, guys, it was my birthday like a few days ago. Here, hold on. It was my birthday on the 4th. See? Is it too close or whatever? So my birthday on the 4th. I'm pretty sure today is the 9th. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No, today's the 10th. On Tuesday. So it's been almost a week now. Finally 10, so yeah. Just subscribe, hit the like button, 20 likes, please, and come back next time.